your legal reasoning educator from 12 Minutes to CLAT, and today we are going to be talking about CLAT 2027 syllabus, strategy as well as sources. First, let us understand what is the CLAT examination. So it is common law admission test which gives you admission to the best law schools of the country. Let us understand the exam structure. So the CLAT examination is a 120 question marks examination in which you get 120 questions of 120 marks each. The examination is of 2 hours. It is held in December prior to the year you are going to give the examination. So CLAT 2027 is actually going to be conducted in December 2026. Generally, the first Sunday of December is considered as the date for CLAT from 2 to 4 p.m. Now, very important, there is negative marking in the examination. So we cannot be attempting all the questions in the CLAT examination. Now, let's talk about the 5 sections of the CLAT examination. So there are 5 sections in the CLAT examination: English, legal reasoning, current affairs or GK, logical reasoning or critical reasoning as you call it, and lastly quantitative aptitude. So English and logical reasoning generally have a weightage of 22 to 26 questions. Legal reasoning and GK have generally a weightage of 28 to 32 questions each, and quantitative technique have a weightage of 10 to 14 questions. Now this examination is offline, pen and paper, and therefore it is essential that we prepare for the same. Firstly, let us understand the syllabus for CLAT 2027 examination of each section. So if we talk about the English section, it is going to be one of the easiest because this is something that you have done in school as well. They ask you passage based questions. Generally, you are given a passage on the basis of which they ask you 5 questions, and that is how the English section is divided. Now, these passages can be from fiction, non-fiction, and the questions can be related to vocabulary, tone of the passage, inference, or certain English related questions. Similarly, if I talk about the logical reasoning questions, it is mostly critical reasoning based questions based on strengthening, weakening, inference of the passage, what is the main theme of the passage, wherein you have to analyze the passage, or there can also be questions from analytical reasoning, for example seating arrangement. Now coming to the legal reasoning section, which is my forte, we see questions from all realms of law focusing upon law of tort, criminal law, contract law, constitutional law, and miscellaneous laws. So you are given a passage of 300 to 400 words, and then you can be asked factual questions on the same as well as legal GK questions on the same. Coming to current affairs, so for current affairs also you are given passages. Generally the answers are not given in the passage, and then on the basis of the information given in the passage, some factual questions are asked to you related to that passage itself. For example, they give you a passage on the war situation and then they ask you specific related facts to the war. And lastly, coming to maths, quantitative techniques. So generally passage based questions are there in maths section as well. Some data is provided to you. So questions can be from ratio and proportion, percentage, basic 10th class level maths is asked to you in the examination. If you are looking for a preparation in which your concepts are covered in classes, you get mock test and sectional test, plus your doubts are also solved. And all of this you want from the comfort of your house. We have just launched a new course named Shaurya on the platform. The description box has the link to the same. So you only need to do concepts and practice, and that will get you to clear the CLAT examination. Maybe you could be the AIR one as well. So you can enroll in this course, and through this course your classes will be in the evening so that there is no clash with your school, which will cover your concepts of all 5 sections. You don't have to worry about the syllabus completion. Your educators will be completing the whole syllabus, and you will get to complete the syllabus from the comfort of your house. You will also get Shakuntala scholarship, which is if you get below AIR 300, all your money will be refunded back to you, and you will also get mock test, and you will also get a doubt test. So if you are looking for a guided preparation, this this is your answer. I really hope to see you in the classes, guys. In case you want to check out the demo classes first, then the description box has a link to the demo classes. Watch them. If you like them, then hopefully I'll see you in the classes. In case you want discount on these courses, you can use code KRITI. Additional discount will also be provided to you. Lastly, talking about the sources for these 5 sections. So for English and logical reasoning, if you are looking for sources to practice passage-based questions, then we have a website called as GMAT Club, on which you can go and practice innumerable free passages. Also, make sure that you are reading the newspaper daily to improve your reading speed and comprehension related ability. There is also a book called Word Power Made Easy that will help you with vocabulary. Additionally, make sure you practice PYQs of CLAT examination for English as well as logical reasoning section. For current affairs, you can read the Hindu every day or the Indian Express. Both are good, but no other newspaper because they are not very helpful with respect to CLAT preparation. Then you can go to a website known as GK Today and every day practice 5 questions. Keep a copy through which you can make your notes for the same. For legal reasoning, don't delve into the law too much, but make sure you are understanding the basic concepts. You can do that through classes or through YouTube videos if you're preparing on your own. But the most important part will be practice. Make sure you are practicing passage-based legal reasoning questions. Now for quant, make sure that you're focused on practicing questions data interpretation related. There's a book called BSc Publications. You can practice through that as well. Work on your concepts of ratio, proportion, percentage, very basic, and practice as much as you can to improve your maths. Lastly, coming to your strategy as to how to prepare. So the first 2 to 3 months, focus on concept clarity. With that, start giving mocks. Like let's say 3 weeks into the preparation, start giving mocks. I know you will be saying, ma'am, but the syllabus is not completed. It doesn't matter. The more you practice, the more clarity you will get. So start giving mocks within 2 to 3 weeks of working on the concepts. After every mock, make sure you analyze your mock so that you know what mistakes you're making and what you have to work upon. Every day you must do current affairs. So every day read the newspaper, revise your current affairs, and every alternate day pick 2 subjects. Like today you do current affairs, legal reasoning and English. Tomorrow you do current affairs, maths and logical reasoning. So every alternate day you can do 2 subjects, but current affairs has to be done daily. Through your mocks, you will understand the mistakes that you're making. Maybe you're not understanding something, maybe there's some concept issue, maybe there's some practice issue, and work on the same. Always remember, CLAT is about consistency and understanding and not just mugging up. In case you have any doubts, then comment below and I will get back to you. Hope this was helpful, guys. Thank you so much and take care and see you in the next session.